Hello, good morning everyone. So I hope all are doing very well. So today I am going to explain about a tram railway route in Kolkata. And today I return from the Mayapur Nadia in Kolkata again, and I am exploring the city to tram railway route. So I am going to explain about this. So Kolkata is the only city in India with hand operating tram system. So the first horse drawn trams in India ran in Kolkata in 1873, and the city became first Asian city with an electric tramway in 1902, which is the oldest operating electric tram network in Asia. So trams do not pollute the air like diesel and petrol powered vehicles, and the speed of the tram train is 100 km per hour. So the West Bengal Transport Corporation operates the Kolkata tram system. So the single line deck articulated cars can carry 200 passengers in single time. So they are considered an icon of the city Kolkata and have been featured in the movies as well. So in September 2024, it was announced that the remaining trams lines would be closed, with only a short line from Medan to Dharamtala to remains open for tourists. So let's discuss about the world. The world first passenger tram was ran between the Swansea and Mumbles Railway in Wales in United Kingdom, and the first commercially successful electric tram line was in Lichterfeld near Berlin in Germany in 1881 introduced. So the world's longest tram is in Germany and connect the cities of Mannheim, Ludwigshafen and the Heidelberg. So if we talk about the longest tram railway network in the world, so the Melbourne, Australia's Yarra Trams is the world's largest tram network with 251 km of double tracks and over 1,700 stops. So I am showing some example of the trams across the world from Australia, Germany, France, and some in other countries. So let's see. I am not here. Just for example, I am showing how the trams are running on the street together with the bus and local transport. So let's see. Don't think that I am in the another country. I am in Kolkata only. But for example, I am showing everything. So the the largest tram network after the Melbourne in St. Petersburg, Moscow, and St. Petersburg, Moscow, both are in Russia. Then Budapest in Hungary, Dallas in USA has the largest rail network in the tram network in the world. So this is all about the tram railway network. And if we talk about Lyon, France has a tram system that is considered one of the best performing in large cities. And the tram rail concept was pioneered in the late 1980s in the Karlsruhe in Germany. The concept is also known as the Karlsruhe model and has been adopted in other cities including the Mulhouse in France.